Welcome to Iron Arrows. Good morning. I am out here in the garden and I'm trying to actually get rid of fungus. So I don't know if you can see the fungus, the little white dots on my plants. I kind of let it go too long. I've never dealt with this, or it's powdery mildew, I think. And I've just never done anything. Whoa. These are squash bug eggs, people. They've been busy. And we've been out here constantly checking, but
we went like a week without having hardly any.
I know.
Now they're coming back.
But we were still checking. Anyway, so I'm putting this hydrogen peroxide water mixture on my plants to try to get rid of the fungus. And different dilutions of hydrogen peroxide and water are actually really beneficial to plants. I was watching a video and I was just amazed at all the neat ways you can use it. So if it's more diluted, like more water to less hydrogen peroxide, you can just put it on your starts to get them going. And you can also just put it on your plants if they look like they're dying, or just put it on your plants once in a while just to give them some new life. So it's the oxygen that really helps them just have some vibrancy. They say that it's like, it helps. It's that new rain. Like when your plants get rained on a lot, they have this really bright green. And so they say that hydrogen peroxide kind of does the same thing. Although it rains here all the time, so we don't necessarily need it super bad, but I just need to get rid of this fungus. So these plants seem to be mostly unaffected, but I bet you it's in them. It just hasn't spread. So I can see like little tiny patches. But these plants over here that are on the trellis are really bad, these Odessa squash. So leave a comment below and tell me if you have tried the hydrogen peroxide water mixture for anything in your garden. We've also done neem oil in the past for bugs and stuff. But I'm gonna pick up a sprayer today, and like a hardcore sprayer, a little bigger than this, and I'm going to fill one. I'm going to get two, one for neem oil and one for hydrogen peroxide. That way it's a little bit easier to spray, because I milk goats, and if I do this constantly, it's going to get real old. My hands are going to be like cramping up, problems that happen with age. I'm like an old lady. So anyway, leave your tips and tricks below and let me know what you do in your garden that's organic to treat fungus or fungi and pests and stuff like that. Alrighty, this is Iron Arrows signing out.